How to make TikTok account private. If you don't want your content on TikTok to be followed by all users of this social network, you just need to make your profile private. I'll show you how. To start, open the TikTok app. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Among the options provided, choose Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy. By activating the option Private Account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Click on the button next to it and your account becomes private. If you ever want to make your profile public again, click on the button next to it. Confirm your intention to switch your profile to public by clicking on Switch, and that's it. Like this video if you found it helpful and follow for more tutorials.